Hi, hello everybody. Welcome back again to One Question a Day in our channel. The question that we are going to discuss is the primate space. Space in the deciduous dentition that is utilized by the mesial movement of the molars, so that to utilize or make sure that the occlusion is normal. So according to Foster's or another observers, almost 3/4 of the individuals, or 3 in 4 individuals, have generalized spacing in their dentitions. It could be 1, broadbent phenomenon, midline diastema; 2, leeway space of Nance; and the third is the primate space, localized space, known as the primate space in the deciduous dentition. The primate or the simian space is an anthropoidical evolutionary space seen in the maxillary and mandibular arch. In the maxilla, it is between the lateral incisor and the canines, and the mandibular, it is between the canines and the first molar. In the lower animals, such as the canines or the dog family, the cat family, and the apes or monkeys, what we see is the canines are much prominent. The upper canine should be resting over the lower arch, and the lower canine should touch within the upper arch. Otherwise, what will happen is the canine will damage the arches and the tooth, that it cannot close. So for that, in these animals, what happens is the canine has some spaces so that properly the canines are kept when the mouth is being closed, either doing hunting or chewing. So that space is retained in the evolution and utilized by the permanently to come into position, because we don't need a very prominent canines. So this persists in the deciduous dentitions, minor space, which varies from 0 to 4 mm, depending upon the child. Could vary from 0 to 4 mm. These spaces are utilized by the distalization of molar to erupt into proper position without crowding. This image has to be drawn. The space between the canine and the lateral incisor and canine, central lateral canine, in the upper arch and canine and first molar is called as the primate space. The key is, if there is no primate space, probably there will be crowding in the deciduous dentition. If there is no primate space in the deciduous dentition, probably there could be a crowding in the permanent dentition. So appropriate intervention has to be instituted. That is the clinical significance. With that, we come to the end of the session. Stay connected with this channel.